Standard 8 General Science, Chapter number 2 Health and Diseases. Let us begin the lesson with the famous proverb health is wealth, which means that health is the greatest wealth of any individual. Every person must maintain good health because it makes them feel good and positive. Definition of health states that it is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. Health is affected by factors like physical, spiritual, social, financial, occupational, environmental, intellectual, emotional and many more. In the first picture you can see the person is having temperature and he is feeling cold. He may be suffering from fever. In the second picture the person is looking happy and healthy, but it does not mean that he will never suffer from any disease or he is not suffering. Disease. The word itself can be broken as dis and ease, which means the person is not at ease to perform his activities. Definition: condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of the body is called as disease. It is an abnormal condition of a part, organ or system of an organism resulting from infection, inflammation, environmental factors or genetic defects. Each disease is characterized by an identifiable group of signs or symptoms or both. Sign is objective evidence of a disease like fever, weight loss, chronic cough. A doctor or people around the patient can identify these medical conditions easily, whereas symptom is subjective to the patient. For example, back pain or fatigue, they can be recognized by the infected person who is suffering. Types of diseases. According to duration of suffering, a disease can be classified into two types: chronic disease and acute disease. Chronic disease is a disease where the effects of the disease can last for months or year. Example: diabetes. Acute disease is a disease where the disease lasts for a short duration of time. For example, common cold, fever. According to the reasons, we can classify the diseases into hereditary diseases or acquired diseases. Hereditary diseases are genetic disorders. They are transmitted from one generation to the other through defective genes. Example: Down syndrome. It is an inherited medical condition caused by a DNA abnormality. Acquired disease. Those defects or disorders which are not present by birth but appear due to the various causes and factors like disease causing organisms known as pathogens or even the environmental factors. Acquired diseases can be classified into two more types: infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are caused by organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi or parasites. These diseases can pass from person to person. For example, common cold, flu, dengue. Non-infectious diseases. A disease that is not contagious is called a non-infectious disease. These diseases are not caused by pathogens or germs. For example, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, etc. From this picture, you have to understand spread of infection through sputum. Infections can spread when an infected person sneezes or coughs out tiny airborne droplets. These droplets are vaporized into fine mist which remains in the air for several minutes to few hours. Healthy person coming in contact with these are likely to be infected with the same disease. So, it is told to cover the mouth while sneezing or coughing. Now, let us understand infectious diseases. Diseases that spread through pathogens or causative agents These causative agents are basically microorganisms or germs. They cause disease in a person. These diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors. Vectors can be insects and other animals like rodents which cause the infectious diseases. They are communicable diseases because they can spread from one person to the other. Few examples of infectious diseases are given below in the chart. Try and understand. First disease, tuberculosis. It is caused by a pathogen known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The mode of infection is spitting by the patient. It spreads through air, prolonged contact with and sharing of the materials of patient can spread the disease. Symptoms are chronic cough, bloody spitting, emaciation, which means the person gets exhausted very fast and looks very lean, difficulty in breathing. Prevention and treatment. BCG vaccine. You must have heard about this vaccine. It is given within a week of the birth of a baby. The prevention measures are isolation of the patient and the treatment is regular medication like DOT, that is direct observatory treatment. Second disease, hepatitis or jaundice. The pathogen causing hepatitis is a virus of different strains like A, B, C, D and E. The mode of infection is contaminated water, sharing of the needles, blood transfusion. Symptoms of the disease is anorexia. The meaning of anorexia is loss of appetite where the person is having no interest to eat food, yellow urine, general weakness, nausea, vomiting, grey stool. Prevention of the disease is drinking boiled water and proper cleaning of the hands. Third disease, dysentery. It is also known as diarrhea. It is caused by bacteria, virus, Shigella, Bacilli, Entamoeba histolytica. The mode of infection is contaminated food and water. Symptoms of the disease are watery stool, pains in the abdomen. Prevention of the disease is again drinking of boiled water, proper storage of food and ORS consumption. Next disease, cholera. Causative agent is Vibrio cholerae, which is a bacterium. Mode of infection is contaminated food and water. Symptoms are vomiting, severe diarrhea, cramps in leg. Severe diarrhea means here again watery stool like in dysentery. Prevention of the disease, following hygienic practices, avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against cholera. Next disease, typhoid. It is caused by the pathogen which is a bacterium, Salmonella typhi. Remember, these are scientific names. So here the first letter S for Salmonella is capital, T is small, and you have to underline the names Salmonella and typhi. Mode of infection is contaminated food and water. Symptoms, anorexia. The meaning of anorexia is loss of appetite where the person is having no interest to eat food, headache, rash on the abdomen, dysentery, fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. The prevention of the disease is drinking clean water, vaccination, proper disposal of sewage. Observe and discuss. The question is, where do you see the waterlogged materials shown in the picture? Answer, the waterlogged materials shown in this picture are seen in our home as well as in our surroundings. Question number 2. Which hazards do you anticipate with the help of the picture? Answer, the waterlogged materials serve as breeding ground for mosquitoes. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. For example, malaria, dengue, elephantiasis.